Hello, welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, my name is Cate Sonia. In this channel I talk about hair, DIY hair care. I talk about wellness, pretty much about everything. Yes, and I will be delighted if you click that subscribe button and turn on the notification button so that you do not miss any of my videos. And I'll be delighted to have you here. Yes. So in today's video, as the title shows, I'm going to show you how to prepare carrot oil. To make carrot oil at home. This is not a carrot seed oil. No, this is carrot oil. Because there is a difference. So I like to do this. This is more of infusing. Yes, you infuse your carrots into the oils. Now, the first method, you have seen me grating carrots. Yes, depending on the amount that you want to prepare, you prepare that amount of carrots. So as I was saying, depending on the amount of oil that you want to infuse, that will help you to know the amount of carrots that you need. So in here I'm going to use just 2. Yes, this is the first method that I'm showing you, whereby you take your grated carrots and you put them in your oil of choice, carrier oil. It could be grapeseed oil, it could be coconut oil, it could be jojoba oil, it could be, what else? Olive oil. And for me, olive oil and coconut oil are my best. Those are the, not like I can't use others, but those are the ones that I have, and those are the ones that I use most. So here we are going to use olive oil and carrot oil. For me, my skin loves more of the olive oil on my skin, especially on my face. So I decided to be infusing with olive oil more rather than coconut oil. When I infuse with coconut oil, it's either I'm making a body cream, yes, or I'm just using it for my hair. That's it. So I think that's enough for me, and I think it is even too much. So that's all. So in this first method, you will need a mason jar, or a glass jar or a glass bowl that is that has a lid that fits. Yes, and I think I'm going to infuse mine in here. Let me just infuse it in here. This is my coconut oil, and this is where I'm going to be putting my carrots, the ones that I've just grated. These are fresh carrots. So as I said earlier, for the one that you are using fresh carrots, you don't keep it for too long, because it's either you are going to refrigerate it, for you to store it for too long, because even if you put a preservative, it's still not going to be as safe for use. So I'm going to put the carrots that are going to fit this oil. I don't want to use much because I'll be using this for my body cream, to make a body cream. So let me just put the amount of carrot that is going to fit in this oil, because you put, let me not do this, let me infuse it here so that I can show you exactly how it is done. Forgive the noise, I have some fur around. So put your carrots first, then you put your oil until the oil is above the carrots. The oil is above the carrots. I don't know, I think my oil is not too much. I don't want to use too much because I don't want to make a lot that I'm not going to use. So that's it. That's how you do it. And I think total, I'm just going to be infusing this. Yeah, I don't want to put too much, and I ain't gonna use it, but maybe I can add a little. Yes. So that's it. Now you can put it here for like 2 weeks, or if you're in a hurry, you can put it in a water bath, yeah, for it to infuse faster if you're using it instantly. But if you want to use it like later, you put it in a dark place, yeah, in a cool, dry place for a week or 2, or even some people put it in a month. But for me, I wouldn't advise for you to put the one with fresh carrots for that long, yeah, because yeah, the carrot has water, yes, and that will not be good for you. You see, it's already infusing. You can see the yellow, the orange, not the yellow, the orange in the coconut oil. So I'm coming back to show you how we prepare the other type of carrot oil. Yeah. Now I have been away for like an hour, and I want to show you how the carrot oil, the first batch, or the first method, how the oil looks like, and it's just 1 hour already. I don't know how best to show you this. Yeah, it's orange. Yeah, like me looking at it, it looks more orange than I am showing you. So you just have to continue infusing it if you don't want to put any heat in it. Now, because I don't want to put it into a water bath, a hot water bath or anything, or even put it in a double boiling method, I don't want to do that. So I will just leave it to infuse overnight. Yeah, then tomorrow I can use it. Yes, so at least you can see the oil is already infused. Oh, sorry. So now onto our second method, and this is the method that I love more. Yeah, I really love this method because it is more convenient and it suits my lifestyle more. Yeah, and I don't have to keep it in the refrigerator, or even in the refrigerator for it to stay for a long time. And this is my, now let me do this, dried carrots. Yes, you just grate the same way that I did with the other carrot. Yeah, they were like this. Then you dry them, and make sure you are drying them in a clean way, in a way that your carrot won't get dirt or won't get those bad stuffs. Yeah, so just make sure the environment is clean. But you see, when you're drying, you just have to be cautious of where you're putting it for it not to get dust and all that. Yeah, I was very careful with the way I dried this one. I did dry them in the sun like throughout. Yeah, at some point I even did a little dehydration with my oven. So yeah, and then I let it stay for 2 days. Yeah, and it was now dry completely. This is what I'm going to infuse with my olive oil. And so I want to put the way I was telling you. You put them first, then you add your oil until they are completely covered. Oh, because they are dry, it's not easy to use a spoon. Like that. It's so easy to make your own carrot oil if you don't want to buy, or if you are like this kind of a person who likes making their own things. Yeah, I like that. I like trying out things. Yeah, that's me. I like trying out things. Yeah, I don't know why I'm coughing every time I start I start filming, and off camera I'm not. So I don't know. Oh, I don't have a flu. I don't know why. So that's my carrot, and now I'm going to add my olive oil until it is my carrots are completely submerged. Yeah. Now this oil, I love this oil so much. I normally use it for my skin, for my hair, especially for my skin. I use it for my skin especially at night or during the day if I'm not leaving the house. I don't know, I just love it that way. Yeah, that's it, completely submerged. Yes, and what I will be doing daily, whether you're using the coconut oil or the olive oil, you need to be shaking it daily. Shake it daily. Daily. You remove it, you shake. Yes, you shake. Yeah, that will help it to infuse more and even to be able to mix. Yeah, to mix well. So I love it. I already love it. Yeah, I don't know. There is like a difference between the way it looked before and how it is looking. Yeah, it's more like orangish, and this is just right now that I've put it. You can see there is the difference. You can see this one now looks orangish and this one looks more, I don't know, that color. You can see it. I don't want to call it green because I know this is not green. Yes. These are the two ways in which I prepare I make my own carrot juice. Oh, not carrot juice, sorry, carrot oil. Yeah. And I'm just going to leave it like this. Now I have two. You can see the difference. This one will have more orange than this one. Yes, because this one we have used raw and okay, what can I call it? The juice that has like fresh carrots. Yeah, fresh carrots. And this one we have used the dried carrots. And those are the two types of my carrot oils that I make, and I really love them. I really love, actually mostly I make this one. This is my favorite. It's my favorite, and my skin loves it. So this one is, as I said, it's for making my own body creams or body butters. Yeah, or even face creams or face butters. That is it. Okay, there is no face butter, face and body butter. Yeah. Yeah, that. So I don't know whether I'll get an opportunity to, when I'm whipping this, I get to show you how I will be incorporating it into my recipe. Yes, let's see how that goes. So yeah, I thought I would use this, but I didn't. So those are my two oils, and now, okay, let me come with a cling film so that we can use it to cover it here, because it should be airtight, and I don't trust this lid. So let me come. So I'm back again. So I just like putting a cling film for it to be tightly, like I'm sure there is no air or those bad things that are going to get in. Yeah, like that. Then I close it like that. So yeah, my oil is okay now. And I'm going to insert a photo of my previous oils that I've made. I don't know whether I will get for olive oil, but I know for coconut oil I had taken a picture. So yeah, I'm going to put it somewhere so that you can see how, now after I infuse it, how it looks. Now the second one, I still put it that. Yay, like that. Yeah, like that. And yeah, we are good to keep our oil. Carrot oil has so many benefits. Yeah, did I say that? I didn't even say or give the benefits of carrot oil. They are so much. I'm going to highlight them there. Yeah. Yes. So, but one thing is that carrot, it's very good for your skin and for your hair. Yes, especially the beta carotene that is in the carrot. It's very beneficial. Yes, so let me not say much here. Let me just highlight the benefits. Yes, and yay, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching to this end. If you've reached to this end, you are a hero. You are a superhero. You are so much appreciated. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I hope this helps. Yes, I hope this helps. Yeah, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification button so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Yes, I'll be so happy to see you around. Remember to subscribe, remember to turn on the notification button, remember to like, comment and share. So until next time, see ya, bye.